What's up, guys? How you doing today? And welcome to another episode of JDTV Co. Okay? And while I got your attention, please, this is a free ask. Like, comment, and subscribe. You know, I was checking our algorithm. You know what the word means, Nick?
Yeah.
No kidding. I was checking out our algorithm, and like 50% of our viewers are not subscribed. It's crazy, right?
Interesting.
It is. It is. And we have 0 female watchers. 0. Like 0.1%. So if you're a female, let us know. Maybe your algorithm's off. We appeal to the older guys, right?
Definitely.
Matter of fact, we're waiting for Maddie to show up because he'll be knocking on the window in 30 seconds because he wants to be on the show today. But he's running late. Okay, real quick. Guys, I'm really sorry about last week. I said we're going to save this to the end. Remember, Nick?
I did.
And I forgot to talk about it. We did sell a bunch of these last week.
We did.
With 0 advertisement. So guys did a little due diligence homework.
Yeah.
So I'm going to wait till the end to talk about this. But this is what I'm going to do. Just so I don't forget, I'm going to put a bunch of them here. Okay? I'm going to leave, that way I can't forget about them because they're all here. Right? Oh, you want to start with them, don't you?
Totally up to you. As long as you don't forget.
I'm not, how could I forget? There's 50 of them right here, Nick. I can't possibly forget with them sitting here. Okay, guys, real quick, JDTCO, we are doing something different this year. We're trying to expand our horizons, as they say in the book, right?
Yes.
We have a flyer made just for DPWs. So I'm sure a lot of you guys are mechanics at DPWs, and send us an email, send us a text, send us a PM, call the store, and we'll get you one of our we'll get one of our flyers in your hand to see how you can be a customer of us as a DPW department, right?
Yeah.
Because right now, currently, I think we have 8.
Yeah, about that.
About 8 DPWs we work with. We have a great relationship, and guys, it makes things easy.
Yeah, they give us a list, come in, take it,
Yeah,
bill them.
it's the easiest thing in the world, and it's a lot of fun because a lot of the mechanics are super cool guys. They have tool addictions, and they use other people's money, and it's fun. So give us a call. All right. Yeah, we got a lot of new stuff coming out this year at JDTCO, and it's going to be a lot of fun. We're going to expand our vision. Okay, guys, Milwaukee. Everybody loves Milwaukee tools, me included. We have a deal on the M18 grease gun. If you are a field tech, if you are a heavy-duty equipment mechanic, this is what you need. This is the 18-volt, 2-speed, 10,000 PSI grease gun. You know, while you're at it, get yourself a locking grease coupler. This is a KY6870, and it's only $15. And if you have one of these and one of these, and there's a lot of the other companies that make these, and they're a lot more money, but you know what's no good with that, Nick? You know, go tell the guys why ours is better than everybody else's, besides being a third of the price. You don't know?
I don't.
It's smaller.
Oh, yeah, it is.
Because the other one, the
big.
lube lock lube, whatever, is too big and does not get into a lot of the spots on the heavy-duty equipment. So this one is definitely the better bargain.
And if you buy, say you buy 2, it's still going to be cheaper than the other
You could buy 3, Nick. You could buy 3, 30, 45, yeah. You could buy 3 of these and be less money than the, and the guy's like, is there a rebuild kit? You don't need a rebuild kit. I've never had a customer break one of these in the 3 years we've been selling them. Have anybody complain?
No. And the good news is it's $15. If it fails you, throw it out and get another one.
That's it. Easy peasy. Easy peasy. Okay. Okay, what do you want to talk about? We had a little run on these things, right?
Oh, yeah.
Power Probe Easy 3EZ. There's a difference between, and listen, the Power Pro 3 is the biggest selling one to date. It sells more than a 4. 4 are not a good seller at all. The 3EZ, we do sell a bunch of these, and the difference being it has a screen that can turn upside down if you wanted to. Instructions are on the screen if you need them. So it makes it a little bit of a better bang for your buck, and it's a little sleeker and sexier. And how much are these?
$129.95. We only have orange left.
They're $129.95, but we only have orange left. We had every color under the sun, but now we just have orange left. Okay? We had a bunch of these. We had every color under the rainbow or the pack of Skittles, but now we're just down to orange. So if you need one for $129.95, you better hurry because we don't have many left. And I I think this ship has sealed. Whoop, whoop, right?
Yeah.
We get in a lot of trouble for selling these cheap. We don't care. Do you care, Nick?
I don't.
And listen, it's funny. There's a couple brands that don't sell to us. And the reason why they don't sell to us is just there's only one reason why nobody sells to us. Why, Nick?
Because we price things too cheap.
Think about that. We get in trouble for selling tools to you guys too cheap. If that's not corporate greed, I don't know what is. Could you imagine? If I'm going to buy this for $20, why do I got to charge you guys $60? Why can't I charge you $40? Right? Because corporate greed.
And it's funny, their excuse is, well, you're leaving money on the table.
I'll be fine. I drive a Porsche. I'll be fine. I'll leave some money on the table to help my brothers out there that are digging trenches for peanuts. I'll leave money on the table all day, every day. Right?
Yeah, I mean, if we're making the percentage we need to make on it, I don't see why that's an issue.
Listen, if I could put this in an envelope and get it to your hands, and this is any brand, get it to your hands with a profit that keeps my doors open, what does it matter? Why do I have to rip the worker man off? But they want us to steal money out of your pocket. It's not fair. And I'll fight that fight every day. We do fight that fight every day. Okay? Okay, let's talk about something positive, Nick. Easy Red. Do we love Easy Red?
We do.
I wanted to wear one today. Listen, this is an insane product. The Easy Red neck lights are a tool like no other. My friend has the patent on this. My friend. I've known him for 40 years. Bob Ketchabevi. I said his name, okay? He had a patent on this. He was at a tool show, and he seen somebody wearing something around his neck, and he thought it was a light. He goes to his son, he goes, hey, check out that light the guy has on his neck. I'm paraphrasing. I might not have this story exactly right, but this is how I remember it. And it was a DeWalt, I believe.
The
headphones. And he thought it was a light. So he's like, nobody makes a light around your neck. And nobody does or did, but now they do. And anyone you see like this, they are getting a royalty from Easy Red because they have the patent on it, a very strong patent. Right?
Yeah.
When you see the Snap-on one, who made it, Nick?
Easy Red.
When you see the Macco one, who made it, Nick?
Definitely Easy Red.
Does Mac have one? Are they in business?
Know.
If Mac has one, Cornwell. And now they came out with a new design one battery pack, centrally chargeable, made it smaller, sleeker, and sexier. And I love this light. Okay? Are they both on? Hang on. Yeah, I'm on, right? Both of them?
No, just one. There you go.
Okay? Guys always say, how bright is it? It's real bright. It's real bright.
Blinded me over here.
I don't care. You're blinding me with this light. So turnabout is fair play. So I mean, like, it's wherever you turn, it's going to be. And sometimes with a headlight, it gets a little wonky on you. This is centrally located. Okay? And we have them in red, green. Is there orange yet?
No orange.
No orange.
Blue and purple.
Blue and purple. Blue and purple are the hot colors. And I personally love the purple. How much is this, Nick?
$59.95.
$59.95. You pick the color, any one you want. And listen, in Easy Red, they really make a lot of stuff, a lot of cool stuff. They also came out with this one. This is just a headlight. This goes around your head because some guys want it on their head. You can put this on your head too if you want. I wouldn't put it on my head, but when I tell you everybody in my tool truck walks on it.
A little harder with the battery pack.
Yeah, you know, it is what it is, Nick. They still wear it on their head. But this one is made for your head. I don't feel like taking it out of the box. Should I take it out of the box? Oh, here, hang on. Here, I took it out of the box without looking. Folds open, one button. Okay, boom, put it on your head. Now I'm a Cyclops. Is that name patented, Nick?
It might be, or trademarked, or whatever.
I don't like them guys. You like Maxion? I don't like Maxion.
No.
I don't like Maxion. And I have more of the lights coming. I copied them again. Okay. I think we're done here. I'm going to wrap this show up, call it quits, and I got these to talk about too. I was on my Snap-on truck, and I got some entries, and I'm going to enter to win a Snap-on prize. I think this is a pit pass. Hey, Nick, if I win, do you think they'll let me in?
No.
Why? I've registered online. It took my name because I had to register before I used them. If I win, I'm going to send one of you guys because I wouldn't want to go hang out a bunch of losers. Did I say that?
You did.
I mean, listen, if you're a Snap-on guy watching this, I apologize if I hurt your feelings, but I totally meant it. But listen, most of them guys are not nice and friendly, right? Some are.
I'd say probably maybe like the Mac dealers.
Oh, we
probably
forgot.
the
See, Nick,
nice ones.
you're worried about this, and you forgot to talk about this. Our friends at Vim, and we always say how much Vim has come out with a lot of cool, crazy stuff. They came out with this set of micro, nano ratcheting box wrenches. Use them with an extension, any size you want. If Nick was carrying me, he would let me an extension here and do a full demo with. Just saying.
I don't need to leave you the extension.
Just saying. Why? Because they came out with this nifty little handle. Now again, you can use any extension you want with this, 6-inch, 12-inch, 18-inch, 36-inch, anything you need, and you can put the handle on the end of the extension if you want, or you could use it as a little box wrench right here. This, Nick, is pretty sexy. I'm not gonna lie. Now, I know sometimes you're not prepared for the show like I am, but do you have prices ready?
I do.
Wow, how much is this set of metric wrenches?
The Nora 150 XL are $129.95.
That's not a bad price. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Like 20 bucks a pop. And how much is this nifty, hang on, wait, little handle?
$25.
25 pesos por mi amigos. Okay? That's a great deal. Great deal. I mean, app, website, come to the store, you need this. Our sign just fell. Maybe it's a sign.
No one reads it anyway.
The last guy didn't read it, right? He's yanking on the handle. They yank on the handle. There's a huge sign up there. It's yellow. It's this big. It says we are filming 30 minutes. But it's like it's not even there. Okay. All right, Nick. I think I said enough. I'm going to wrap the show up. And like we always say.
You forgot the friction rings.
Oh, shit. Guys, real quick. We came out a new product for the JD Tico line. And this is called frictionrings.com. It has its own website. It has its own everything, and the saying is get clipped at frictionring.com. And what is a friction ring? Watch, this is a friction ring. Notice how the socket fell off? Hang on, wait, real quick. No dogs were woke when dropping of that socket. Okay, guys, very common problem. Your ring goes bad, your ring wears off, wears out, your ring falls off. It happens all the time. It gets abused throughout the day, throughout the week. Walk on your trusty, dusty Snap-on truck, Mack truck, Macco truck, independent tool truck. Is Cornwell still in business?
I think so.
Cornwell truck. And you say, hey, I need a ring for my impact. 9 out of 10 times, they'll be like, I don't have any. I'm out of them. Which tool is it for? Nobody has them. And if they do have them, it's expensive. We pay from Milwaukee, I think it's $5 or $6 just for one ring, Nick, right?
Yeah.
$5 or $6. And that's without the O-ring. Here at frictionring.com, you know, whoever's putting these on is a little
aggressive.
Okay, what you're going to get in this kit is 6 3/8, 6 1/2-inch clips and O-rings. So you're going to get 6 O-rings, 6 clips, both sizes. And you're going to get this beautiful install tool, 1/2-inch and 3/8. Okay? In a container with a magnet, put it on your roll cart, put it on your toolbox, you'll never lose it. It'll be exactly where it is every time because we put a super strong magnet on this. Now you want to say how easy it is it to use? I'm going to show you. Okay. You get your install tool, you put it to the 1/2-inch side. Well, first we got to put the O-ring on. Just like that, it's on. You get your socket. I can't see for shit today. It's on there. It's not coming off ever again.
Well, until it wears out, and then you need a new one.
But the good news is you can do it 5 more times. Okay. Oh, here it is. Guys, let me put the install tool back in here. Put this back in. $24.95. And if you're a dealer out there, you want to buy these in bulk, hit us up. We'll give you a discount, and you can sell them and make money, right?
Absolutely.
And I think it's real. This is nice. It's all about the packaging. That's nice packaging.
Yeah.
And leave in the comments below who's on the cover of this. Guys, listen. The dogs are sleeping. I don't want to wake them up. They sleep all day. These 2 dogs sleep under this desk all day. Nick, am I lying?
No. They
Hold
get
it.
around. They get up a little bit, but
Not much.
Not
Okay,
much.
guys, listen to me. We appreciate if you made it through the show that far. Try to support. Instead of worrying about Jeff Bezos buying a bigger boat or another mountain, support a local family-owned business. And it's not only us. There's a lot of family-owned businesses out there. Support the little man. Sometimes you got to root for the little guy, Nick, right?
yeah.
Like you say, come for the price, stay for the show. Peace.